Hey friends! So I did another thing. I got about 15 new bundles of cord, but only about half of those are actually like new colors. I restocked mostly some 550 cords. There is a couple bundles of 95 cord in here and just one new color of micro cord. So the 550 cords that I'm restocking are black, because you can never have enough black. Olive drab, maroon, which this is going to be my primary shade of maroon. I do have this older shade as well that has a little bit more red in it than the other one. So yeah, once I run out of this one, this will be the only shade of regular maroon that I carry. And then for patterns that I'm restocking, I got more Summit, which is a lighter gray with a little bit of black, some purple, neon orange, and some teal. Mojave is one of the color changing cords, so you can actually kind of see it shift a little bit more of the yellow golden tones to a little bit more reddish orange. It has technically vertical stripes of a Air Force gold or a goldenrod, with little specks of red and purple in there too. And then Dark Night was the last one that I'm restocking. This one has pixelated spirals of a black and a charcoal gray. I think this is just a nice pattern one to have in case you don't want like a stark black, but not necessarily like a light gray. You can have both. And then for new colors, I got this new solid called Space Blue. I'm really excited about this one because honestly it's like the perfect mix between a navy and a teal. It's just a little bit, it's not quite as like blue and vibrant as a midnight blue, but it's just a really good in-between shade that I have not seen before. Military Mesh is a new one I haven't seen before. This one is actually set up exactly like the color changing cords, although it's not marketed as a color changing. But if you kind of look, I do see a little bit of a hue shift from like a silver to an olivey drab type of color in there as well. So it does have vertical stripes of olive drab and then kind of a lighter silver color with like a little bit of a darker, maybe charcoal type color in there as well. So really cool neutral. This one is called Camouflage, but I'm gonna call it Multicam because I have a cord currently called Multicam that I'm looking to replace, but it doesn't look like this one. Not alone just the bundle of cord is a mess, but this one, Multicam, actually has a lot more of a green background to it, whereas Camouflage has more of like a tan coyote brown type of undertone, I guess. But the micro cord from the same company called Multicam is the exact same color. So when I run out of my more green Multicam, this is what Multicam is going to look like. And then I also got some new pink cord. This one is called Pink Panther, and honestly it is far brighter than I ever imagined it would be. It's kind of a neon pink with more of like a, maybe like a salmon pink, a more muted type of shade, with a little bit of black and white. It looks so vibrant on here that it's almost like the camera can't pick up the shade of it very well. Then I got the same pattern but in the blue scheme. So this one's called Tsunami. Still kind of a like a royal blue or electric blue with a regular blue as well. A little bit of black and white in there too. And then for the 95 cords, I restocked some purple as well as Ultramarine Blue, because these two colors have been a hit in a few bracelets lately, so wanted to make sure I didn't run out of that. I also picked up some golden yellow 95 cord because I have an idea for this one and a bracelet coming up. So, and then the micro cord I got is blonde. The last shipment I got some tan. This one's even lighter than that, so I really wanted to have as light of a shade as I could get close to white, so that way I could just kind of have a little bit more contrast on some of the darker keychains that I've made. But yeah, that's what we're adding to the collection this time around. As always, you know where to find me on my socials. Send me a comment, a message, whatever, if you would like to do any kind of custom order. I also do have a 20% off coupon code you can use for anything over $50 at Atwood Rope Manufacturing. So if you want or need that link, just let me know. Be happy to share it with you. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.